The ENGWE Ulzomo 20 is a compact folding electric bike created for riders who want a practical, efficient, and comfortable solution for everyday commuting and weekend leisure rides. Combining a lightweight folding frame with dependable electric assistance, it is designed to make city travel easier while remaining portable enough to fit into apartments, offices, or the trunk of a car. Its balanced combination of performance, convenience, and long-range capability makes it an excellent choice for adults looking for a versatile e-bike that can adapt to a variety of riding situations. Powering the Ulzomo 20 is a smooth and efficient 250W brushless rear hub motor that delivers quiet yet dependable assistance while remaining compliant with street-legal regulations in many regions. The motor provides enough torque to help riders accelerate smoothly from traffic lights, climb moderate hills with less effort, and maintain a comfortable cruising speed during daily commutes. Supporting the motor is a removable 36V13 lithium-ion battery that stores 468 Wh of energy, providing an impressive assisted riding range of up to 89 kilometers on a single charge. The removable battery design also allows convenient charging either on or off the bike, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or office workers. Built with portability in mind, the ENGWE Ulzomo 20 features a durable aluminum alloy folding frame equipped with a quick-release central hinge. Within seconds, the bike folds into a compact size that fits easily inside a vehicle, elevator, or storage space without sacrificing structural strength. Riding comfort is enhanced by a responsive front suspension fork that absorbs road vibrations, potholes, and uneven pavement, creating a smoother experience across city streets and recreational paths. The 20-inch commuter tires offer quick handling, stable cornering, and low rolling resistance, making the bike agile in busy urban environments while remaining comfortable on longer rides. To maximize versatility, the Ulzomo 20 is equipped with a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain that allows riders to select the ideal gear for climbing hills, accelerating on straight roads, or cruising efficiently over longer distances. Front and rear disc brakes provide dependable stopping power in both dry and wet conditions, giving riders greater confidence during daily travel. A centrally mounted LCD display clearly presents essential riding information such as current speed, battery level, distance traveled, and pedal assist mode, allowing riders to monitor performance at a glance. Completing the package is an adjustable saddle that accommodates a wide range of rider heights, making the ENGWE Ulzomo 20 a comfortable, reliable, and highly practical folding electric bike for modern urban lifestyles.